Carson Bonfil. I go to Greeley Central High School, and I'm part of the cybersecurity pathway. I've been in it for 2 years now, so I'm at my final year. What drew me in was really the problem-solving part of it. It really challenges my brain, and I've definitely been enjoying the hands-on work, and it gives us a lot of advantages, not only because multiple jobs require specific certificates. I know District 6 IT, they require you to have an A+ and a Network+, and so just all of that helps you out. And even if you don't get the certificate, we'll be leaving with a full resume. The teacher's helping us build out a resume right now, and we'll have all of the soft skills required for either college or going into the workforce, and just having the training done already. I wasn't even sure if I wanted to do cybersecurity when I first started this class, but joining into this class, even if you don't go into cybersecurity, it's still jumping you forward, and it's giving you soft skills. You'll get a ton of experience. This class has definitely boosted me forward a lot more than any other class would have.